guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what we're going to be doing today is I want to make another Christmas DIY using some candle holders that I recently purchased at Kirkland's. Now these were on clearance because they were originally a set of 3 and the taller one had gotten broken, so I managed to get the pair for $14. So I thought that was a really good deal. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this super easy DIY that if you have any candle holders, you can upscale them and they will be gorgeous, okay? But here is my first one, and it's the tallest one that I have, but there was a taller one than this, and then here is the shorter one, and you can see they were originally $19.99, but I got the two for $14, which is not bad, I don't think at all. And I love the colors. They match my lantern and everything, so I love that. So you'll need you 2 candle holders, whatever kind you want. Then I picked this up quite a while ago. Those of you who've been with me for a while will remember this one. I got this at Hobby Lobby. It was originally $21.99. It's too small to see, but it was 50% off. So that was a great deal. Okay. And then I'm going to be using these napkin rings that I had left over. I had 2 or 3 left over. And I got them at Hobby Lobby, and I used them in my topiary that I did this year. They were $3.99, 50% off. So you'll just need any kind of little napkin ring that you want to use. And then I'm going back with my bulbs again from Old Time Pottery. This one is $4.99. And then this one was $2.99. I just love this, okay? But like I said, this is so simple. So let me cut my tags off and I'll be right back. Okay, now this right here, it's hilarious, but this fits perfectly right in here. Would this not make a beautiful lamp stand? It is so pretty. It just looks so upscale, and you just put 2 things together, okay? But you wouldn't have to have something like this as your base if you don't have it, or you could run out and get it. It's really, really a good deal, okay? So all I'm going to do, because I want to keep this to where I don't want to glue anything to this, is I'm just going to glue to this napkin ring. Now I will tell you, you're going to have to be very careful. If you pick this up, you're going to have to pick both the base and this up. Now if you want this to be more secure, use E6000 and hot glue to glue it to your bulbs. Now mine I made last year are still together, and the ones that I made this year are still together. But you have to be very careful with them unless you use all the other things I was telling you about. Okay, so we're going to set this aside. So what I'm going to do, you probably could put a little bit of hot glue right here, just a little bit so that you could get it off, but I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do, is just get some hot glue and put it right on this napkin ring. Get it on this ball right here. Try to get it in the center as best I can. Push down. And then I'm just going to stand that on there. That is gorgeous, okay? Same principle for this. All you need to do is just put this on here. And now these are one-of-a-kind little topiaries that are gorgeous. If you would see these out already made, you would pay so much money for this. Okay, same principle. Get it on here. Try to get it as best you can in the center. And then just put that right there. This is so simple. Okay, I'll show them to you in just a second. Okay, here is what we have. Just look at this. They're gorgeous. Like I said, just be very careful with them. But look at this. Look how high end this looks. It's gorgeous. I don't know if I'm going to put this on my mantle or if I'm going to put it on my drink station. Now, like I said, you could probably put just a little bit of glue and glue this to make it much more substantial, but I'm not going to bother mine. Now, if you have children, you definitely probably want to glue them on there. And then look at this. This is so festive looking. I just love how these turned out. But I wanted to show you, if you have any candle holders around the house, you can go get these balls and some napkin rings. They don't have to be from Hobby Lobby. You could get Dollar Trees and spray them or embellish them with jewels and then glue those onto there, and you would totally elevate your candle holders. As you can see, I don't have this one on a big base, and it's beautiful. For now, I'm not through decorating my mantle. I have 2 of my Christmas trees up. I still have to do 4 more. And I've got my mantle pretty far along, but not far enough that I want to show it yet, and I have to make a wreath for my mantle over the fireplace. So I'll just put these for now over here on my drink station, and I'll show you what they look like. Hey guys, here they are. I just love how they turned out. I need to get that little piece of paper off right there that's on my candle holder. But you can see how you can totally elevate just using candle holders. And like I said, this one doesn't have the base, and it's really pretty too. Or you could go to Kirkland's and purchase these candle holders. But I really think it's good to repurpose what you already have. But you can see how nicely it matches my lantern. So like I said, I don't know if these are going to go on my mantle or if they're going to go here, but I really do love them. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.